Watch closely. Oh my gosh, this is the most skilled Pakistani mechanic I've ever seen. He never lets a driver spend extra money unnecessarily. Look at this gear, 1/3 of it is completely broken. But when the mechanic saw it, he said it was an easy fix, and he only charged 2,000 rupees for a perfect repair. He took the broken piece of the gear to his workbench. Securing it in place, he started the grinding machine. 10 minutes later, both sections of the gear were finally ground. He checked the alignment with a square ruler. Once everything was correct, he grabbed the welding torch. After welding, he measured the piece with precision again. Next, it was time to fully weld the gap in the gear. This process took a little longer. Once the welding was complete, he used a slag removal tool. He knocked off the excess welding residue and bumps. Then, he brushed the gear clean with a steel brush. He picked up a clean cloth from the floor. Wrapping it around the gear, he adjusted the position. Then, he mounted the gear onto the lathe. Using a dynamic balancing tool, he made careful adjustments. He began cutting the inner edge of the gear. As the lathe spun, the inner surface turned from black to shiny. Soon, both sides of the gear were perfectly smooth. The welded joints were completely blended in. With a final round of precise hand polishing, the broken gear was fully restored.